Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is going to be a haul video. I am doing plum haul video today. So as you know, if you follow me, you'd know that I love plums products. So plum turned 6 lately and they were giving amazing offers and amazing discounts to celebrate that, and I took the full advantage of it and I bought some of my favorites from their official site, and I'm gonna show everything I bought. So if you're interested, please watch this video till the end, and if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new update from my channel, and please like, share and comment. So without further ado, let's dive right into the video. So Plum has this discounts and offers going on almost always, and I really love Plum's official site to buy my Plum's product because of two reasons: A, their amazing discounts, and B, their amazing delivery speed. They actually deliver me their products after placing the order within 3 to 4 days, and that is amazing, and I love it for I love their official site for that. So before the birthday bash, there was this discount going on that buy one get one free. So I took the advantage and I bought this one. This is the Plum body butter. This is their wild cherries and kiwi body butter, which actually retails for 650 rupees, and for buying this one I got this wild cherries and kiwi hand cream free, which retails for 370 rupees. Okay, and since both of them, the total of them reached 1000 rupees, for that reason I got free another thing, that is this one. This is the Plum Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel mini version, and that is, I think, amazing. And just imagine how much I paid for all of them. I paid 617 rupees for all of them. That is amazing. So I placed the order. Then after placing the order, after 2 days placing the order, this Plum turned 6 birthday bash discount and offers came up, and I just fall in love, and I immediately checked their official site and I bought first this combo offer. This is one, their green tea renewed clarity night gel, another is the green tea skin clarifying concentrate, and I got both of them within 900 rupees. I will link the exact amount in the description box below. And then I bought this one. This is the Plum green tea alcohol free toner, which retails for 390 rupees, and I got it for 200 something rupees. Also please check the description box for the exact amount. So all of them, the total of them was 1292 rupees, and for reaching 1000 rupees I got this Plum Nature Studio All Day Wear Kohl Kajal completely free, and this Kohl Kajal alone retails for 495 rupees. So that is a real steal. So I bought all of them. I placed my order, and the first order delivered within 3 days of placing that order, and the birthday bash special order delivered to me within 4 days of placing that order. Okay, so then I opened the box. I was really excited. When I opened the box, I discovered this cute little thing. This is the unwrapped goodness envelope. Within that there was this one. This is a card, Plum turned 6. Here is a birthday treat to celebrate our journey together. Here's 200 rupees off, and there is this code I can't show you the code. I'm gonna use this for myself, and next time when I will purchase from their official site, I can totally use this code and I will get this 200 rupees off, and that is amazing. Then the box also contains this cute little fella. This is a cute little candle. I didn't open it yet. I am gonna open it and I'm gonna use it also. If this is a fragrant one, yeah, it is a fragrant one. I love smelly candles, like I love their fragrance candles. I love this. This is really soothing. I love it. So that's it for today. I've shown everything I bought and I am really happy because of the whole amazing discounts and how I purchased my favorite products on a very discounted, pocket friendly way. I just love discounts. I mean, I think everyone loves discounts. So I will see you in my next video, but before that, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and please share your thoughts in the comment box below. And I love hearing from you guys. I love reading your comments, your messages. So you can totally connect with me through social media also. You can connect with me through Facebook or through Instagram. All of the details are given in the description box below, and also all of the product details, what are the prices and the links, all of them I have given them in the description box below. So do check that out. So love you guys. Bye bye.